Okay guys, we got a 2024 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you to remove and replace the cabin air filter. So this is the glove box. Just going to open it, take all the stuff out of it. First we're going to pop this piece off just by pushing it over. Second, these two tabs in here we're going to have to push out so the glove box will drop down. From there, this is the glove box door. You're gonna push, so this right here, you're gonna push these in like that, pop it out. Cabin air filter's right here. That's what it looks like. You're gonna take it out of this little black cover piece thing and replace it, and just make sure that the airflow is pointing up. And that's how you're going to do it. Just make sure this is pointing up when you put it back in. Just like that. And that's how you do it. Hopefully that helps. I will link one in the description for you guys from Amazon, so you can get it pretty quick. But this should save you a good amount of money rather than doing it at the dealership. Thanks for watching.